guys, welcome to Mike's Double Edge. Today is the day I review Big City Nights by HC&C, Pasture Shaving, and Rich Man Shaving. It was a collaboration apparently, and it smells really good. Apparently it's supposed to smell like, or be a copy of Cedar Ferrari Black Shine. I'll put the scent notes either in the video or in the description. So let's get to it. I'm gonna wet my face first. Today I'm not gonna bowl lather. Sorry if it's echoey. I don't know why it's so echoey. But I'm gonna face lather it today. So we're not gonna bowl lather. And I'm gonna be using my Yaqi brush. I did give a practice run with this and everything worked out great. So just wet my face and get right to it. Hope everyone's doing well today. I got about 2.5 to 3 days growth. Wet the Alright, brush is ready. Let's get this going here. Just gonna load the brush and put a little bit of water on that. There we go. Just gonna fling water for a little bit until I get everything all set here. Water and soap. Water running out of the brush. You can't wear the wrong shirts for this. Gonna try and get as thick as I had it on the test run here. The test run was yesterday. This is what is today? Wednesday? I don't know. I don't remember. I lose track of time. Alright. It really does smell good. I don't smell as much on the brush as I do in the container. But, let's get going here. Using my rough well with a Perma Sharp. Good residual slickness. It could be better. Probably could have hydrated it better myself, but I'm trying to do that next pass.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you deserve. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive.
Yeah, I don't think I hydrated it enough, but that's my fault.
They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Let's go for a second pass.
Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid, I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight.
You get some V-necks for this stuff.
Is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you're figuring it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
My hand's cramping. Ooh, rougher with my left. That's good enough. I love that Yaqi brush. Alright, let's do the second pass. There's the slickness. So I like that soap. Probably give it a, I don't know, based on how I do things, probably 4.5. Oh. 4.5 to a 5. Wherever you want to lay it in there. Everyone's got their own ratings. Ooh, tacky. So far, not too much irritation, which is nice. So, let's see. Now it's splash time. We'll see how much it burns. That made some noise. Ooh. Yeah, it burns right down in here, a little bit here, but not too bad. Ooh. All right. This is recorded in the morning, so you'll probably see it in the morning. So that's it for today. Oh wait. Gotta use some of this. Somebody told me one spray. I think it was Christian. It'll start. There it goes. Woo! I went up the nose. Alright. Like I said, I'll list the scent notes either in the video or in the description. Probably more like in the description so I can have room. But I think that was it. I do really like this stuff. It does smell nice. Although I notice now I don't smell anything. Not too much. I don't know if it's because I'm getting overwhelmed by the aftershave and cologne. Or what's going on. But I don't really smell much of anything right now. There it goes. I had to wipe some of the scum off. Yeah, it's still quite light. But yeah. I will get more of their stuff down the line and test more of it. But right now this is all I have and I do like it. So see y'all later. Hope y'all are having a good day or will have a good day since it's morning. See you next shave. Bye.